Right, today we're going to be making cheddar cheese popcorn. Today we're going to be making cheddar cheese popcorn. So this is a Gold Medal product. This is cheddar cheese powder, and the brand is Gold Medal Corn Treats. And we're going to pop up our regular popcorn and add this at the end. All right, we're going to be making our cheddar cheese popcorn. We have 1.5 cups of our coconut popcorn oil, and we're going to be adding 3 cups of popcorn. We'll get that heated up. Heating it up, and our kernels are just starting to pop. We're going to dump it in our big plastic bag. Nice hot popcorn. We're going to add 2/3 of a cup of our cheddar cheese seasoning on there. And we use a nice big garbage bag. It just helps coat it. That nice hot popcorn. We'll get that nice and shaken up. There we go. Get nice and coated, that nice warm popcorn, along with that cheddar cheese mix. And there you go, look at that. Cheddar cheese popcorn, nice and coated. Oh, that looks terrific. Let's try a little piece of that. Look at how the coating is all on there. Nice and completely coated because of that hot popcorn. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's great. That tastes just like nice cheddar cheese popcorn. It's got a really bold flavor. Very, very good stuff.